The Tecno Pova 6 Pro is official. It follows the predecessor's game plan. It's a gaming learning handset with an interesting design and an impressive set of specs for the price. It comes with a 6 nanometer Dimensity 6080 chip paired with 8 or 12 GB of RAM. It is an 8 core unit with 2.4 GHz Cortex A76 cores and 2.0 GHz A55S computing systems. The Mali G57 handles the graphics. Upfront, it has a 6.78-inch Full HD plus AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate. It has a massive 6000 mAh battery with 70 watt of fast charging and 10 watt of reverse charging. It comes in a meteor grey or comet green color. It features a semi-transparent design, Tecno called Dynamic Tech design. The lithography precision texture under the phone's transparent back and a series of LEDs called Dynamic Lights effect. The dynamic eye surrounding one of the three lenses in the camera array and the dynamic lighting effect itself a propeller-shaped LED strip. There's a total of 210 LEDs and lighting modes with 101 user-defined effects to choose from. The Tecno 6 Pro seems to have 6 cameras on the back, but only one of them works. That is a 108 megapixel unit that doubles up to 3x lossless zoom and 10x digital zoom. The other cameras are a 2-depth rubbish camera and an AI even more rubbish camera. Up front there's a 32 megapixel selfie that has dual tone LED flash itself. It ships with a 70 watt charger, USB cable, a case and a SIM card ejection tool. The pricing